You're watching iLovei. My name is Nate.
My name is Marvin.
And today we're going to try out a favorite Filipino dish, but we're going to put it in a breakfast burrito. We're going to do tapa breakfast, and we're also going to do a corned beef breakfast, and we're going to wrap it up in a burrito and see how it comes out. Let's go. The best corned beef is the Palm brand. So we got everything cooked here. We got some eggs. Well, we got some sunny side up eggs. We got scrambled eggs. We got some tomatoes. We got corned beef, garlic fried rice, and tapa. So we're gonna make two burritos. We're gonna make a corned beef burrito, and we're also gonna make a tapa burrito. And this is traditional Filipino breakfast where they have the rice, either the corned beef or the tapa, and the scrambled or fried egg. This first burrito right here, we put corned beef, garlic fried rice, scrambled egg, tomatoes, and then we also use some sriracha mayo just to top it all off.
All right, we have garlic rice, tapa, and sunny side up eggs with tomatoes on this one. We're gonna top it off with that one.
And we're gonna top it off with some Tabasco sriracha. They look really good. And we're gonna try this out. I'm actually gonna put a little more sriracha mayo on this.
I love jalapeno on this one. Some jalapeno?
Yeah, I think you need some of the sauce, don't you? Oh, look at that. All right, let's go.
Ching.
Now that's how a breakfast burrito is done. It brings me back to those great Filipino breakfasts I have in the morning with the corned beef and the fried rice and the egg. But it just makes it so convenient, rolled up in a tortilla. And that sriracha mayo, surprisingly, just really enhances that flavor. It's great. This is amazing. All right, let's try this one. Are we putting a chili there? This is gonna be hot. So that tapa right there is very, very meaty. I guess the tomato and the rice really soak in that meat flavor. And that egg in there, I'm not even an egg fan, but goes good with it. But adding that to Tabasco sriracha, that was a good idea on this one. But I think my favorite out of both of them has to be the corned beef one. Because corned beef's my favorite.
Let's try this.
It's good.
Oh.
Yeah, that's good. Especially with that sriracha mayo, which is like, bam! Oh, I think one thing we probably could have added is just like hash brown.
Next time.
Yeah, next time. But hey, thanks for joining us here today. If you guys want us to try any different recipes, put it in the comments below. If you want to hire Marvin for catering, I'm going to put his information down in the description below. This guy can cook, man. He's the one that whips up all the dishes that we've been doing out lately. And also hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so that way you can watch more videos of this one and then also know when they come out. Then also share it with your family and friends because they'll love it. And then we're also going to catch you in the next video. Peace. Good morning.